Hello there. Welcome. Welcome to another edition of Nick's Friction Zone. Have you ever wondered how tight your motorcycle U-turns are? How well do you perform them? I did. So I actually had to try it out. So in this video, I'm going to show you a series of U-turns done in 4 different ways, and I'm going to show you the amount of improvement that you can get by performing some good practices. Check it out. And by the way, if you live in the Virginia area, check out my friends at Little Sprouts Soft Plate Rentals. I'll put a link to their website, or better yet, I'll put a link to their Instagram account on the description of this video and in the comment section. Let's get it. Okay folks, so what you're going to see today is a total of 4 types of U-turns, and they're all going to be starting from the exact same starting location as you're going to see right now with the yellow arrow. You know, before I begin, I just want to be very clear. This is raw footage on a single take. There's nothing redacted, nothing edited. As far, you know, this is about as real as it gets. And in fact, to be honest, I was even a little bit nervous on recording this because I was thinking, man, what's gonna happen if I fall off the bike, or if I do something really, you know, something really bad. So, you know, so this is me just putting myself out there for the internet. Okay, it's gonna be a total of 4 tests. The first one, it's gonna be one where I'm not turning my head, I'm not leaning my bike, I'm not turning my front wheel. I'm literally just casually going straight and casually turning my handlebar. Look at the results. It's so bad it falls off the screen. This is well over 3 parking lanes. So if I'd have to estimate, I would say roughly around 27 feet. Obviously, if this is on a real street and you had to do a U-turn on a single lane, you wouldn't make it. The second one, look at my head. I'm literally forcibly turning 90 degrees to the left. And as you can see, turning my left to the left makes a difference. Look how much I'm shaving as far as space is concerned. That's a little bit over 2 lanes, so a little bit over 19 feet. That's much better. The third test, the difference is now that I'm going to be turning my handlebar all the way to the left. So I'm starting with my motorcycle already turned, and you know, as you can tell, I had a little bit of problem balancing my bike in the beginning, but you know, that's expected. Look at that, marginal improvement. So getting a little bit better and better. So the final test that you're going to see is now I'm not only turning my head, I'm also turning the front wheel, and I'm also going to be leaning my motorcycle. I'm going to be counter leaning a little bit. I know you can't tell too well at the start, but take my word for it, and look at that. A little bit more marginal improvement. Okay, so you know, I just hope this video is insightful for all of you motorcycle riders out there. Again, this was raw footage done on the first take. I didn't practice before starting, I just went for it. And as you can see, all the little practical advices that are given as far as turning your head and leaning your bike, turning your front wheel seem to work. Okay, well, that's all I got for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care of yourself out there. It's pretty warm out there in our country. Be safe. Bye.